Finally, here we have the first official unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Just like last time, the videos are sourced from TikTok. Once again, the phone is repeatedly leaking from Thailand. The Galaxy A37 5G is expected to launch in 4 colors: charcoal, gray-green, lavender, and white. In these 2 unboxing videos, we can see 2 of those color variants. From what's visible in the unboxing footage, the Galaxy A37 5G features a triple camera setup on the back. The sensors are placed inside an adaptive island design with an LED flash positioned next to the camera module. On the front, the design looks clean. The device comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, and the selfie camera sits inside a punch hole cutout. The bezels are slightly thick, but they appear less noticeable in lighter colors like white and lavender. Samsung hasn't officially announced the launch yet. However, the phone is already available for pre-order in some parts of Thailand. A global launch is expected later this month or early next month, possibly with slightly higher pricing. And that's everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G based on these early unboxing videos. From the design and colors to the display and camera setup, things are starting to look pretty clear even before the official launch. Now, all that's left is for Samsung to make it official and reveal the full details. So what do you think about the Galaxy A37 5G? Are you excited for this one, or were you expecting more? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Here we have the official unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G in almost all colors. The source of these videos is TikTok, and the phone is already up for sale in Thailand. All of the clips are coming from there. Just imagine opening TikTok and suddenly seeing random unboxing videos pop up. Just like the Galaxy S26 Ultra, both the A57 and A37 have now been completely leaked. The Galaxy S26 Ultra was leaked from Dubai, and the Galaxy A57 started leaking from Thailand. Also, the Galaxy A57 and A37 have now shown up in stores before launch, and the details are surprising. According to the latest information, both smartphones were recently spotted at an authorized retailer store called Cam TV in Thailand, where their pricing and specifications were also listed. The listing reveals that the Galaxy A57 with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage is priced at 20,999 Thai baht. Interestingly, there is also a special promotional offer bringing the price down to 17,999 Thai baht. On the other hand, the Galaxy A37 with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage is listed at 13,999 Thai baht. In addition to the phones, the store also showcased some official accessories, including protective covers, which are priced between 199 Thai baht and 690 Thai baht. Another report has also revealed a brand new AI feature coming to the Galaxy A57 called Transcript Assist. This feature is designed to convert voice recordings and phone calls into text, making it extremely useful for things like students, meetings, lectures, and interviews. As of now, Samsung has not officially confirmed the launch date of these smartphones. However, the fact that they have already appeared on retail listings strongly suggests that the official launch could be very close. What are your thoughts about the Galaxy A57 and A37 pricing and features? Let me know in the comments section.